Hello everyone, I'm back with another 5 in 5. So this one's going to be linking to the previous video I put up, the cough, cold, flu video, so the wetter conditions of the lungs where mucus is produced. So I'm not going to talk about anything about the disease, I'm just going to give you 5 things that can help. And stay tuned till the end because there'll be some bonus ones as well. So let's get straight into it. So the first one, broccoli, or just that whole group of green leafy vegetables, especially the cruciferous vegetables like the broccoli, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. So they are all especially good for you because they contain sulforaphanes. So sulforaphanes are potent anti-inflammatory, and they also specifically decrease the virus replication or viral replication. And then also it has high amounts of minerals. So vegetables are especially high in minerals, and fruits are especially high in vitamins. Fruit also has a lot of fiber, the same as vegetables. They both have lots of fiber and they have high fluid content. So moving through the different fruits and vegetables, they have different active components and polyphenols that will be beneficial to our bodies in different ways. So then number 2 is zinc or zinc. So this one is found especially in legumes, so things that come in a pod, peas, beans, then also seeds and nuts, and you'll also get them in microgreens. So seeds and nuts are high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. They also have a lot of omega-3, so they are anti-inflammatory as well, which soothes that inflamed lung tissues that are not so healthy. If you want to take a zinc supplement, you could take a zinc picolinate, which is more readily available to your body and it keeps it in your body as well. So it helps to absorb it and to actually use it better. So a zinc picolinate you can take in a lower dosage because it will be absorbed better and be used better. So then number 3, vitamin D. So you need vitamin D for your immune function, for your bone health, and for your skin health. So vitamin D is especially important. You also need it for your brain health. So you can get that from exposure to sunshine from as little as 30 minutes a day can be enough sun exposure. Just check the UV, don't go into too high UV exposure. But if you consume a lot of fruits and vegetables, those with a lot of antioxidants and vitamins and minerals, that can actually be a natural sunscreen. They can protect your skin from the sun. If you are eating inflammatory foods, dairy, processed sugar, processed wheat, and animal products, that will break down your barrier, your skin barrier. That will increase the inflammation, increase the damage, and then the sun will be more harsh on your skin too. So when you switch to a whole food plant-based lifestyle, it has a whole range of benefits. Not only is it higher in nutrients, higher in fiber, it decreases your overall disease risk. It also decreases your risk for some cancers by up to 70%. But this vitamin D that you can get from the sun is especially important, and it will also then, if you have fruits and vegetables, it will act as a natural kind of a sunscreen or strengthen your skin, strengthen that barrier so that you can absorb vitamin D and your skin stays healthy. You can also take a vitamin D3 supplement, which is more readily available for your body. Just check that it's not from an animal source, because if it's from an animal source, then your body will not be able to use it as well. Our body responds better to plant-based supplements. So things that are in its natural form, our bodies recognize, our bodies know what they are, and our bodies can use them better. So then the 4th one, vitamin C. So vitamin C is also essential, and vitamin C you get in all the plant foods and fruits. You do not get vitamin C in any of the animal products, and you also don't really get them in processed products. You can try pine needle tea, which is very high in vitamin C. You can also do all the citrus. All the citrus are high in vitamin C. Kiwis are also good. They also have enzymes that will help digestion. Something like papaya is also good for your body. They also contain enzymes. And then pineapple, as I talked about in my previous video, if you can use pineapple and ginger together, that kind of acts as a natural antibacterial, antiviral substance. So enzyme-rich fruits will contain a lot of vitamin C. So the brightly colored fruits and vegetables. And if you want to take a supplement, calcium ascorbate is a good supplement to take because it kind of helps the recycling of the vitamin C in your body. It keeps the vitamin C in your body. It stops it from just being excreted in your urine because vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. So I hope that has helped so far. So the top 4. So number 5 will be a combination, and that's where a longer list of things will come in. So number 4 will be lifestyle adaptations and lifestyle kind of things that you can increase that will be beneficial for your lungs. So first I want to talk about water. Water can really increase your health, and it can help to get rid of the inflammation and the mucus buildup, because water will make the mucus more fluid and it will more readily come out, and that will decrease the amount of time that you feel sick or are sick. So lots and lots of water. You can also have herbal teas, like I said, the pine needle tea, which is high in vitamin C. Something like rooibos tea will also have polyphenols that will be beneficial for your immune system and help to support it. So high water intake is essential. As long as you are going to the toilet and urinating, then you cannot drink too much water. Just do not keep the water in. Let it out. When you need to go to the toilet, go urinate. Blow your nose quite often, because your mucus will start to really come out once you start increasing your fluid intake. And that's a good thing. You want to let that mucus out because you want to move and help move your lymphatic system, so then that virus, that bacteria can come out, because your mucus is going to bind to any toxins or harmful substances in your body and want to get it out, release it. Then have a stable BMI. So a lower BMI is beneficial to health, and it will help you get over your colds, flu, and coughs much quicker. Try to decrease your stress. Go out in nature, take walks, meditate on God so that you can calm down and just relax. Good sleep, exercise, no alcohol, no smoking, especially also secondhand smoke, and clean, fresh air intake. So I hope these helped. So these 5 things and a few bonus ones. So as always, stay healthy. To God be the glory. Please like, subscribe, and share this around if you feel it can be helpful to anyone you know. So see you next time. Goodbye.